everyone, today we are walking through the beautiful Burstner Lyseo I727. So we'll do the usual procedure. I'll talk you through some of the many features externally and we'll hop in and take a look at the pure luxury of this vehicle. So Burstner is our German motorhome brand. This is a 4-berth and 4-seat belt example with your rear singles at the back. Starting off on the front, as you can see, we've got the Harmony line decals. You've got your LED daytime running headlights. We're built on the Fiat Ducato chassis, so we do have our lovely two-tone 16-inch Fiat alloys. So making our way around to this side, we've got an external shower point and we also have an external barbecue point. We've got our full length, full omnistrator awning, and you do have an LED strip the full way across that. You've got your XL habitation door. You've got a TV point here, so if you do plan to hook up and stay in a nice sunny destination, you can bring your TV out here, roll the awning out, and you've got the perfect setup. At the back is the garage. So with the single beds, you typically do get a huge garage in the back. So we'll open that up and give you a quick preview in there. So this is our garage. We do have access from both sides, as you can see. Now, what's in here at the moment, we've got a 3-pin socket just over here to the right. These are the backs for your travel seats. So it does travel 4. Now, this does come with the ambient pack, so it does come with nice accessories, including your carpets and your 4 scatter cushions, so they're just kept in there at the minute. Look into the driver's seat. These are heated for your driver and your passenger, which is very handy in these winter months. You've got your leather steering wheel here. It's multifunctional, so you've got your cruise control built in there with your speed limiter. You've got your voice recognition for your multimedia. All your cockpit is fully digital as well. You've got your 9-speed automatic gearbox, automatic climate zone down here, and then you've got huge touchscreen infotainment system, so you have all the gadgets in there. You have your DAB radio, you've got your built-in sat-nav, and you've also got your Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. So we're into the living space, and how beautifully is it finished. We've got the leather upholstery on our 2 bench seats, so you do have a nice open plan living space here. You could comfortably sit up to 6 people. The table does fold in half and it also swivels. You've got a double bed just above the driver and the passenger seat. It's electrically adjustable, so we'll show you that in a further clip. You've got the lovely gloss cabinetry, and these cupboards are huge, so you can fit all your stuff in there. Your control panel is over here to the right. The heating system works off Aldi, so it is your prestige heating system. You've also got 2 leisure batteries to power that. Just beside me then is our TV bracket, so it's a swivel one. You can turn it for the front lounge. You could probably turn it off to turn around this way as well. You've got a huge fridge freezer. So your freezer box is there. This is your fridge section, and you've got a huge cooling box below that. Kitchen is just adjacent to the fridge. You've got your spice rack there. You've got your combi oven and grill, 3-ring gas burner, and your storage compartments. So making our way to the back of the motorhome, we have our separate shower and toilet. So in here is your toilet. You've plenty of space in there. You've got lovely vanity mirror just above with your ambient lighting, so you're going to be Instagram ready. To the other side is the shower, and you're not lacking in space here. It's a lovely comfortable place to get ready in the morning and the evenings. At the back is our single bed layout, so you can leave this as 2 single beds, or you can pull this out as displayed to make it into a large double bed. You've got a bit of internal storage at both sides, so hang up your clothes in there. You've plenty of little cupboards back here too. You've got a TV point with the swivel bracket, and your ambient lighting can be adjusted from the comfort of the bed. So this is your electric double bed that is over the cab, and what a bed it is. That's a full-size double bed. You can adjust the lighting in the bedroom area as well, and you've also got 2 USB points up there. So guys, that was the Burstner Lyseo I727. If you are in the market for a luxury comfortable family A-class model, this could be ticking a lot of your boxes. If you'd like to see more details on this, check out our website. It's thompsonleisure.com. We're open Monday to Friday 9 to 5:30, and we're also open Saturday 9 to 3. So you're more than welcome to come on down and take a look at the rest of our stock as well. You can give us a call on 028 92 69 3999, or if you have any further questions or inquiries, shoot me a wee email. It's charlotte@thompsonleisure.com.